Presenting the black Fujitsu UHX 11th Gen Intel i7 Core. It's thin and light laptop. It contains preloaded Windows 10 Home OS with lifetime validity. The laptop weighs 878 grams. It is powered by 11th Gen Intel Tiger Lake Core i7 116 5G7 processor with the speed ranges from 2.8 GHz to 4.7 GHz. It has 12 MB cache MS Suite that makes tasks easier. It comes with 16 GB RAM LPDDR4X 4266 RAM along with Intel Iris Xe integrated graphics card. The laptop comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The Fujitsu laptop packs 512 GB SSD storage that can retain data persistently. It comes with a 50 Wh lithium-ion battery with a 4 lithium-ion cell that provides a battery life of 11 hours. It has a feature of quick charge that maintains 50% battery life with 30 minutes charge. It features a 13.3 inches Full HD IGZO panel with an anti-glare coating for a better viewing experience. This screen has a peak brightness of 400 nits, 100% sRGB with the resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. It has stereo speakers with Dirac audio technology. The laptop comes with a built-in HD camera and has a privacy shutter that covers the lens of the camera. It has a combo audio microphone, 2 USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, HDMI, Ethernet and SD. The box includes a laptop computer system, adapter, power cord and a manual. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.